Hello friends, this is our hydrofacial machine for skin rejuvenate and skin cleaning, and I will show you some of the handles. Then first, we click the skin manager, and there it will show all the handles, and then you just click to choose it. First we choose the Hydra Dermabrasion Handle. This handle is for skin cleaning, you see. You see this handle's blue tube is for wastewater, and the transparent tube is for water and essence. And if you want, you can drag out this, wait a minute. Yeah, we can drag this out and put some essence in it, and for the different probe to do different treatment. Yeah, we have 3 probe. One is this, the light blue, and the second is the deep blue, and the white probe. Okay, just like the original. You see. Okay, first we click the start. You see the suction is very strong, and then I don't put water, just to show you the suction. And if you want to add water, you just put this on. Yeah, put the water bottle on, and there will show, you see, A, B, C, D, 4 bottles. Okay, the second handle is ultrasound handle, this one, and it has two sides. Yes, this one is bigger and this one is smaller. You see, for eyes and face. Okay, I'll put some water to show you the energy. Okay. You can see it, very high energy. I see the water almost gone. Okay, now we add more energy. Okay, the third handle is this one, the skin scrubber. You'll see the clip here. It's covered with a silicone cover. Yeah. And we click it. The interface of this handle is very simple. You just put start and stop, and the button to control is on the handle. You put stop. Click long. Yeah. Follow me to get more infos about beauty machines, and thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.